Imagine waking up one morning in 2026. Your alarm is set by AI. Your news is written by AI. Your car drives you to work using AI. Even your doctor uses AI to check your health. Artificial intelligence is no longer the future. It is already here. But with this rapid growth, one question scares millions of people. Will AI replace humans? Are we building tools to help us, or creating machines that will one day take our place? In this video, we will dive deep into the history of AI, how powerful AI has become, jobs already being replaced, what AI can and cannot do, the future of humanity with AI. Let's begin. What is AI really? Before asking if AI will replace humans, we must first understand what exactly is artificial intelligence. AI is a technology that allows machines to learn from data, recognize patterns, make decisions, solve problems. Unlike normal computer programs, AI can improve itself over time. There are three main levels of AI. Narrow AI, AI that can do one specific task, like Siri, Alexa, ChatGPT. General AI, AI that can think like a human. This does not fully exist yet.
Super AI, AI smarter than all humans.
Still only theoretical. Right now, in 2026, we mainly live in the age of narrow AI. But even narrow AI is becoming incredibly powerful. The evolution of AI. AI didn't suddenly appear. This journey started decades ago. In the 1950s, scientists dreamed of thinking machines. In the 1990s, computers beat humans at chess. In 2010s, AI learned to recognize images and voices. By 2023, AI started writing, drawing, and coding. And now, in 2026, AI can almost do everything online. What once took humans hours, now AI can do in seconds. That speed is what makes AI revolutionary, and also terrifying. What AI can do in 2026. Let's look at real examples. Today, AI can write full articles and books, create realistic images and videos, compose music, code entire applications, diagnose diseases, drive cars, translate languages instantly. In many tasks, AI is already faster than humans, cheaper than humans, more accurate than humans. Companies use AI to answer customer calls, automate factories, analyze legal documents, predict market trends. So naturally people wonder, if AI can do all this, do we still need humans? Jobs AI is already replacing. This is where fear begins. Across the world in 2026, AI is replacing office jobs, data entry, accounting, report writing, email support, scheduling, creative jobs, graphic design, video editing, logo creation, music composition, technical jobs, basic programming, testing software, website building. Even industries like journalism, customer service, marketing are heavily using AI instead of humans. For companies, it's simple. AI works 24 hours, without salary, without vacation, without emotions. From a business view, AI looks perfect. But humans are more than machines. What AI cannot replace. Now comes the most important truth. AI is powerful, but AI is not human. AI cannot truly feel emotions, understand love, build real relationships, think creatively like humans, have moral values, dream or imagine. AI only copies patterns from data. Humans create new ideas. For example, an AI can write a poem, but it cannot feel the sadness behind it. An AI can generate art, but it cannot experience inspiration. An AI can diagnose disease, but it cannot hold a patient's hand with empathy. These are human strengths. New jobs AI will create. history shows something important. Every major technology, electricity, computers, internet, first destroyed jobs, but later created even more jobs. AI will do the same. New careers in 2026 and beyond. AI trainers, prompt engineers, AI content managers, AI ethics officers, robot maintenance experts, data analysts, human AI collaboration designers. Instead of replacing all humans, AI will change the type of work humans do. The dangers of AI. But we must also talk about the dark side. AI can be dangerous. In 2026, we already see problems like deepfake videos, fake voices, AI-generated misinformation, job losses, privacy invasion, autonomous weapons. If AI falls into the wrong hands, it can be used to manipulate elections, spread fake news, hack systems, control people. That is why governments and experts are racing to create AI laws and ethics. The future of AI must be controlled carefully. Humans plus AI. The real future. The biggest misunderstanding is this idea. Humans versus AI. The real future is humans with AI. AI will become like a super assistant, powerful tool, a digital partner. Just like calculators didn't replace mathematicians, AI will not replace intelligent humans, but it will replace humans who refuse to adapt. So, will AI replace humans in 2026? The honest answer, not completely. AI will replace repetitive jobs, boring tasks, mechanical thinking, but it will not replace creativity, leadership, emotions, human connection. The people who will succeed are those who learn AI, use AI, grow with AI. Artificial intelligence is not the end of humanity. It is the next chapter of human evolution. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of AI, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Earth and Time Chronicles, because the future of time and technology is just beginning.